Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. To this video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like this video. If you like, don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video you will get the notification first. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment me down. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So let's start the video. So you can see this one is very beautiful decoration, the wall and all, and the floor, the roof and all, very beautiful. And so you can see the wall, the beautiful decoration of the wall. You can see the small plants, the road, and so very beautiful. You can see the wall, the mirrors, the mirror back side is very beautiful, the lights and all, very beautiful decoration, the lamp, very beautiful. And this also you can see it is also very beautiful. You can see the bed, the lights, you can see very beautiful, looking very beautiful, very amazing. It's also very beautiful. You can see looking very VIP, very modern room decoration, the bed and all, very beautiful, very good also. And it's also very beautiful. You can see the wall, you can see the walls, you can see the roof and all, very beautiful decoration, very good, looking very beautiful. And it's also very beautiful. You can see the decoration, the bed, the mirror and all, very beautiful decoration, very good. And it's also very beautiful. You can see very beautiful decoration. You can see the lights and all, the roof, the floor and all, very beautiful. And this one also very beautiful. You can see the decoration and all, very beautiful decoration. It's also very beautiful. You can see the lights and all, the lamps, the wall, the floor and all, very beautiful decoration. The bathroom also very beautiful decoration, the roof. And this also you can see the roof, the floor, the lights and all, very beautiful decoration, very good also. And the floor also very beautiful. And this also you can see the mirror, you can see the side wall, you can see the floor and all, very beautiful decoration. You can see it's looking very beautiful also. And this also you can see the pink color theme bed, the wall, the mirrors and all, very beautiful decoration. You can see in pink color, it's looking very good. And it's also very beautiful. You can see the wall, you can see the AC, the mirrors and all, the lights and all, very beautiful decoration. You can see very good decoration. And this one also very beautiful. You can see the green color bed and all, very beautiful decoration. You can see very good. And it's also very beautiful. You can see the wall and all, mirror and all, very beautiful decoration. You can see the mirrors, and so also you can see the mirror, the wall, the floor and all, very beautiful decoration, very good also. And it's also very, and so you can see very beautiful, the wall, the floor. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video you will get the notification first. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment me down. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care and goodbye.